center will provide the advanced ecosystem for innovation and skill development for the students of Jammu Kashmir, industry professionals also, and the unemployed youth in the Jammu Kashmir. This center will not only just help to provide skilled resources to the local industries, but also provide self-employment opportunities to the youth. The center has also the advanced softwares or technology tools as well as hardware, machineries to convert the ideas into the startup under the guidance of Tata Technologies expert from scratch to the production kind of a thing. The initiative also has the innovation challenge competitions. We run the design thinking workshops and mentorship programs from Tata Technologies and partners that would help to generate more avenues for the self employment as well as to innovate the new things in areas such as electric vehicle, internet of things, consumer goods, additive manufacturing. And recently we have already got some output of it, like somebody has converted a normal bicycle into the electrical bicycle. They have done the grass cutter. These kind of innovations have already started into the I mean, ideas are getting into the startups kind of a thing. So that's where we want to provide this kind of an environment. We are in the ITI, we have majority two sections. One is technology center, and the second one is the workshop. So in the technology center, what we are doing is we are taking care of the product design and development, entire cycle how it works out, the product verification and analysis by providing the high-end tools. We teach them the advanced machining also, and the third lab comes in as an Internet of Things. So these are the majority things which we cover into the technology center. In the workshop, we have major sections like battery electric vehicle, where all the battery electric vehicle related things are covered, including the battery management system, repair, maintenance, overall of the battery electric vehicle, how it is coming up into two-wheeler, testing of the motor, testing of the battery electric vehicle components, all those things. Then in the advanced manufacturing sections, we have laser cutting machine, vertical milling center, CNC turning machine, spray painting booth, and a lot of tools are given to the students so that they can work hands-on. ITIs are the people, those who are going to be more hands-on. So whatever they learn into the theory, they have to practice it here. And these are all the things which are provided to them so that they learn better through their trade. The next section comes in is the industrial robotics. Now the manufacturing industry has completely moved into the robotics, advanced robotics, and we need a lot of people in the industry who can operate these robot, train them, get the things done like gluing application, just as an example, or pick and place and palletizing, arc welding. So we have constructed an entire customized industrial robotics cell where the arc welding as well as the pick and place palletizing will be taught to the student. The next section is the advanced plumbing. There has been a lot of advancement in the plumbing in the recent era, and in the different sections, like hotels needs a different set of plumbing. In the stadium they need a different set of plumbing. In the shipping area they need a different set of plumbing. The plumbing techniques are also changed in the urban cities, and that's what we are going to teach them, including the sprinkler systems or the rainwater harvesting systems, solar systems, etc. Then we have innovatively added virtual reality based painting and welding. That adds up to minimizing the material while they are doing painting or welding. So they will learn virtually first and they will then jump onto the exact machine, which will save a lot of the running cost of the material for the colleges which they have adopted it. Next section is the additive manufacturing or 3D printing. General people will understand as a 3D printing, but additive manufacturing is the entire things which we are going to teach to the student in this. The industrial process control and automation is the next section where every industry nowadays has gone into the human machine interface. And that's where we are going to teach them how the machinery or the entire line is operating. And last but not least, the advanced automotive section is an upgradation of their existing motor mechanic vehicle, because a lot of changes have been done to the gasoline vehicles, which Just as an example, as a Bharat Stage 6, the norms, how they are met with the different techniques. That's what we is just one example. Obviously, there are CRDI, MPFI techniques, and all other things which are included in the automotive section. So this is the whole gamut of the ITI in workshop and technology center. Uh, I would like to throw some light on the industries which they are operating right now. In Manipur, if you look at, is majorly handloom, handicraft, sericulture, agriculture or forestry, food processing, food retail, electrical machinery, and transport equipment. These are some of the areas where there are a lot of small scale industries as well as medium scale industries. Now, when we do the CIIIT in Manipur, that we want them to innovate using the new technologies and enhance the existing industries into the new skills. That way they can have their self employment, they can generate a lot of big productions also, and move forward. The availability of the skilled manpower into industry 4.0 would attract more investment in Manipur also, and that will get a lot of industrial growth in this sector. CIIIT is really a great initiative, like we have been talking, both of us, is to move forward to create more employment opportunities as well as entrepreneurial opportunities. So we are not just focusing to give them just a technology, but we are focusing more on the entrepreneurship also, who can create the jobs for others, and that's where we see that Manipur CIIIT will help in the entire region of Manipur. The upcoming COEs in Bihar are very similar to what we are doing into the Karnataka as an ITI. However, the industries, if we look at in the Bihar, are different little bit. So we are focusing on the food processing, ITI, electronics, and textile, and the leather industries, which are very high priority sectors into the Bihar state. And as well, there are going to be a lot of industry oriented courseware in terms of the advanced manufacturing, in terms of the advanced milling, in terms of the industrial robotics. And there is obviously battery electric vehicle is going to be everywhere across the India, because that's the need of an hour. And the different coursewares, we have almost like carved out 23 different short courses which will be dedicated to the based on the industry, and which will be dedicated in the ITIs all across the state. So we would like to help them again through the similar initiative what we have done in the ITIs, and train them in the polytechnic as well as in the ITI centers. Through that, the entire industry there will get an uplift into the next technology, where they can increase their production, do the automation through the robotics. Obviously, when we say automation, it is for the increasing the production. We're not eating out any jobs there, but this is where the entire new technologies will help them to uplift their existing state. And again, here also, lot of times we have observed or got a feedback that in the oil and natural gas, lot of things are imported. Even a small ring gasket or the rubber ring, they need to import it from the outside. So some of the common things which comes under the maintenance, we are trying to focus it there to indigenize this through using these technology centers which we are building in 77 different institutes in across the Assam state.